In the previous two videos, we used ClipMic Digital 2 and MetaRecorder to link multiple iOS devices to control and record multiple audio sources from one host device. We then covered how to insert metadata like scenes, takes, favorites, markers, and keywords. Using the UltraSync BLUE, we also explored the powerful option of embedding our audio recordings with Bluetooth timecode. Okay, so you've recorded audio with multiple mobile devices using ClipMic Digital 2 and MetaRecorder. Now it's time to edit. But with all these different files, organizing everything can be a nightmare. It's time to prepare to edit by importing the metadata we created with our audio files in Final Cut Pro. Hi, I'm Gogo with Apogee. In this video, I will show you how to import and apply the XML to your audio files in Final Cut Pro. First, make sure you have all of your audio recording scene files in one folder on your external hard drive. Launch Final Cut Pro. If you don't have Final Cut Pro, you can download a 90-day free trial at apple.com. Create a new library, name it MetaRecorder, and save it to your external hard drive. Create a new event and call it Audio. You can check the option to create new project. Use custom settings for now. Select OK. Select Import. Double-click into the folder you saved the scene folders into. Select all the scene folders that you saved to your external hard drive. Make sure Event Audio is selected and that both keyword checkbox options are clicked. Then select Import Selected. You will get a message box saying that some files cannot be imported. Notice that the FCP XML files are in this box. That's okay. We will import those in a different way in a moment. Select Continue Import. All of your audio files have been imported from the scenes. Click on the chevron to expand the list of keyword collections. Your keyword collections will be named after the scenes folders that you imported into Final Cut. How do you tell which files from which device? Remember the role name you assigned to each device. Well, that name is at the end of the file name. Currently, all of your audio clips are labeled with the same descriptor dialog and color blue. Now let's apply the XML data to your audio files. Go into your first keyword collection and select all, Command A. Go to File, Import and XML. Go to the folder that matches the keyword collection name. Click to open. Now select the FCP XML file. Click Import. A new event is created from the XML file. This event is labeled as the scene name you created in MetaRecorder. Open the event to see that you now have keywords based on your metadata and labels you made during your recording. Go to the Clip Appearance and Filtering menu. In Group By, select Roles. Your audio files are now sorted by their roles. Your audio clips in this event will have a different color. Do the same for the second set of audio clips, making sure to import the XML file that is the folder you imported the audio from. Now take a look at the Scenes event. You have new keywords based on any additional metadata and labels you've applied in MetaRecorder to the audio recording. Each device that you use for recording will have a different color applied, indicating that it is a different role. This is helpful for sorting and telling the audio clips apart from each other. Did you label certain takes as favorite? Open the All Clips menu and select Favorites. Your files are now sorted by favorites. Change this back to All Clips to see all of the files. One last important step, which will save you time, trust me. Add a name in either the camera name or camera angle in the inspector. Select all of the files under each role and enter the name of the role in the camera name and camera angle boxes. Repeat for each role. Congratulations! Your files have been imported, labeled, and organized. You are now ready to begin editing. You have a few different options in Final Cut on how to sync up these multiple audio clips. which we'll cover in a future Final Cut Pro video. But now it's time for a break. You did it! You know how to embed professional timecode into your audio files and organize them easily using the XML from MetaRecorder. Remember, taking the time to label and set up your files during production will make your job as an indie filmmaker much easier later during the editing process. The larger your projects become, and the more devices you have, the more you will benefit from using the advanced features available to you in the MetaRecorder app. Using a timecode workflow and labeling your files with metadata from an FCP XML file, you'll be able to get organized, synced, and ready to edit quickly and efficiently. Want to learn more tips for capturing great audio? Visit ApogeeDigital.com or click the link in the description.